Hi there, welcome back to Weto tutorials, and here's again a quick tip. If you want a marking which indicates the start of a groove or a notch or anything you want to create later, you can make this marking by the start marking command, obviously. And if you want to use it, you have to select your component you want to make this marking on. And here you have types of markings you may want to use. You have a drilling, and there you can change the position, of course, where you want to make this, the diameter, and the depth as well. As you can see, you can change the reference side, and thus you can make it horizontal or vertical. You have a bird's mouth option. Here you need to set the width of the bird's mouth itself, the depth, the inclination, set to maybe 15, and we need this deep, maybe, I don't know, back to 45, and the width too. And now you have a small carving, a small groove as a bird's mouth. You can change the position, the reference position, change the direction as well, and the reference side too. Go back to top. You have double carving, or double lines. Simply, you can set it to perpendicular if you set to 0 degrees. And again, change the position, change the direction if you have an inclination here. And if you click OK, there you have your start point, from which you can always set a saw groove or a simple slot if you select the define distance option. Sometimes it's really hard to snap onto these points, but be patient. And now you have the start point for this slot easily. Okay, and that's how you can use the start marking tool in Viskon 16.